Hi, good evening. My name is Lucia Pina. This is week 4, microbiology. Today's Thursday, January the 31st. I have been letting my cultures incubate for about 48 hours. I checked them today and they both did have some growth. It wasn't a lot of growth, but it did have growth. The E. coli had more than the S. epidermis. So, for the sake of time, I already split up the E. coli and the epidermis into the culture tube. So, if you can take a look right over here, they both have equal amounts of the cultures that we're growing. This one's my E. coli, these two, and these two are my S. epidermis. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with my methyl red test. And like I said, I already poured half of the culture into both the two and four of the tubes. And now I'm gonna pipette seven drops of the methyl red. I'm gonna do 7 in the back ones for the E. coli. 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'll do 7 now for the S. epidermis. 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. Now we're gonna go ahead and take a look. Okay, this looks orange in color to me. The S. epidermis kind of looks similar too. Okay. So I'll go ahead and take the pictures of those later. Now I'm going to go ahead and continue with my Vogue's pulse card test. And I'm going to use the 2 front ones for that. So I'm going to start off with the region A. And I'm going to do 12 drops of the region A into each of the tubes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 12 into the S. epidermis. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. Now the next step is I'm going to add 4 drops of the region B into both the tubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 into the S. epidermis. 2, 3, 4. All right, so now these two I'm going to let incubate for 30 minutes and I will check on them in 30 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my catalyst test. I'm going to go ahead and move these back. And I already labeled my slides, one with the E. coli and one with the S. epidermis. And I do have my agar plates here. And same thing, they're labeled E. coli and S. epidermis. Now I'm going to do the E. coli first. And take my loop. I'm going to flip my plates over. And then I'm going to swirl my loop into the E. coli. Try to get as much colonies as I can. And now I'm going to go ahead and put that into my E. coli slide. I'm going to put my loop into my bleach solution there. And I'm going to take my next loop. And I'm going to make sure it's dry, and I'm going to grab some colonies from the S. epidermis. And I'm going to add it to my S. epidermis slide. Into the little circle area. My loop into my bleach solution. Now I'm going to grab my pipette, and I'm grabbing my peroxide solution. I'm doing 1 drop into my E. coli and then 1 drop into my S. epidermis. Okay, and I can't see any bubbling. On either one. So I would say both my slides are negative results. Okay, this is going to conclude my video. Thank you.